Kitchen gadgets are all about innovation and convenience. From time-saving tools to smart devices that make cooking easier, this year's lineup has something for every home chef. Let's dive into the best kitchen gadgets and see what's worth adding to your countertop. The Cool Knight herb grinder is a game changer for your kitchen. This electric spice grinder combines a high-speed motor with a large capacity, making it easy to grind spices and herbs in seconds. Whether you're prepping for a gourmet dish or crafting a custom spice blend, this grinder ensures consistent results at the press of a button. Sleek, efficient, and designed for hassle-free use, the Cool Knight herb grinder is a must-have tool to elevate your cooking. The Yofidra expandable roll-up dish drying rack is a practical and space-saving solution for every kitchen. Designed to fit over sinks up to 19.6 inches, this rack includes an expandable storage basket, perfect for drying dishes, utensils, and produce. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. Whether you're looking to maximize counter space or need a versatile drying solution, the Yofidra dish drying rack is an essential addition to your kitchen. The ZKOR microwave popcorn popper is a healthier and hassle-free way to enjoy fresh popcorn. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, it's lead and BPA-free, ensuring a safe snacking experience. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store, while the need for no oil means guilt-free treats in minutes. Just add kernels, pop it in the microwave, and enjoy perfectly fluffy popcorn. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The ZKOR popcorn maker is a must-have for movie nights and quick snacks. The Misby coffee mug warmer is perfect for keeping your favorite beverages at the ideal temperature. With its 50-watt large heating panel and 6 temperature settings, this coffee warmer ensures every sip is just right. Its sleek, ultra-thin design fits seamlessly on any desk or countertop, while the 8-hour auto shutoff and 12-hour timer add safety and convenience. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, the Misby coffee mug warmer is a must-have for coffee and tea lovers who like their drinks warm and ready anytime. The VOCOO digital kitchen timer is a simple yet powerful tool for precision cooking. Featuring a large LED display and magnetic backing, it easily attaches to your fridge or any metal surface for convenience. With countdown and count-up modes, it's versatile for timing anything from baking to workouts. The volume is adjustable, making it ideal for both quiet environments and noisy kitchens. Designed for ease of use, it's perfect for seniors, kids, or anyone who values functionality. The VOCOO kitchen timer is a reliable and stylish addition to your kitchen essentials. The UTaste skinny silicone jar spatula is the ultimate tool for precision in the kitchen. Designed with a 10-inch long, narrow shape, it's perfect for scraping every last bit of peanut butter, jam, or icing from jars and containers. Made from 600 degrees Fahrenheit heat-resistant food-grade silicone, it's safe for stirring sourdough, spreading cream, or working with hot ingredients. Its seamless and flexible design ensures easy cleaning and durability, while the ergonomic handle offers excellent control, whether you're baking, cooking, or meal prepping. The UTaste jar spatula is a must-have. The Dumpling Maker kit is a game changer for home chefs who love crafting dumplings, empanadas, pierogies, or gyoza. This stainless steel set includes everything you need: a dumpling mold, dough cutter, stuffing spoon, and flour ring cutter for precise, easy dumpling preparation. Its durable, food-safe materials ensure long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic design simplifies the process for perfect shapes every time. Whether you're making momos or experimenting with your favorite fillings, this empanada maker press set is a must-have for fun, effortless dumpling making. The Cisily kitchen sink caddy is the ultimate organizer for a tidy and efficient kitchen sink. Crafted from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, it's built to last while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. This kitchen sink organizer includes a high brush holder, providing ample space for sponges, scrubbers, and dish brushes, keeping everything within easy reach. Its open design ensures quick drying to prevent odors and mildew. Perfect for maintaining a clutter-free sink area, the Cisily kitchen sink caddy is a must-have accessory for any organized kitchen. The EVNSIX Pastry Lattice Roller Cutter is a game changer for creating beautiful pastry designs with ease. Made from durable stainless steel, this professional tool is perfect for making intricate lattice tops for pies, pizzas, breads, and other pastries. Simply roll it over your dough to create consistent, uniform patterns in seconds. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for bakers of all skill levels. If you love baking and want to elevate the look of your creations, the EVNSIX Lattice Roller Cutter is a must-have gadget. The magnetic knife holder for wall is a sleek and practical solution for organizing your kitchen tools. This 10-inch magnetic strip securely holds knives, utensils, and even metal tools, keeping your countertop clutter-free. Designed for both wall and refrigerator mounting, it's versatile and easy to install in any kitchen setup. The powerful magnet ensures your knives stay in place while providing easy access during meal prep. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen organization or looking for a space-saving alternative to a traditional knife block, this magnetic knife holder is a must-have gadget. And that's a wrap on our best kitchen gadgets list. From time-saving tools to gadgets that elevate your cooking game, these picks are sure to make your kitchen more efficient and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top gadget picks and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.